Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WH-CH520 headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now the first reason you might want to do this is for troubleshooting. If you've already tried a soft reset or a power boot and they're still not working or not connecting or not syncing or pairing with your Bluetooth device, or if you have any issues with them where they keep disconnecting, anything like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, everything will be wiped off of them if you do this, so you don't want to do this unless you're ready to set them up as a new set of headphones. But that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting them up on a new phone, or for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start, we can wipe everything off and go ahead and get a fresh start. So the first thing we want to do is with them plugged in, we're going to go ahead and turn them off. And once they're turned off, we're going to go ahead and unplug them. And then once they're off and unplugged, we're going to come in and press and hold simultaneously the power button and the volume down button for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, the little indicator light will blink 4 times in blue, indicating that the hard reset is complete and we can set the headphones up again.